We're going on a helicopter. It's December 1st, my birthday. This is Cole's birthday gift from his grandpa. It's scheduled today on my birthday too, coincidentally. So we're at the place. It's windy as fuck. Finally putting out my jacket after like 4 years of having it.
Helicopter gonna fly.
We're gonna find out. Okay, I just wanted to give a little update and yeah, we're going in. We're going. Well, that was nice. Definitely loved it. Alright, so little update. Cole thought it was a little sus. He was a little nervous because he was very, very anxious about the helicopter. He's been thinking a lot of bad stuff was gonna happen, but it was really fun and I got an amazing video and we had an amazing time. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. So, thank you, Cole's grandpa. I appreciate it. But yeah, this is it for now. And then we're gonna go home and then I'm gonna upload this to the drive and I think that's it for...
Hey, let me flex my juice notes.
We're going to Home Depot because we need to get extension cords for our setups. I'm a size 9. This is how long 50 feet is. Yes. You want me to do it again? I'm gonna do it again. Anytime I've counted with my foot growing up, it was right. This is 50. Okay, 1, 5, 6, 9, 9. Wait, 49, 50. That's good. He thinks I can't count with my feet. So basically, we're at Home Depot right now because we need an extension cord for our PCs because our power keeps going out in our rooms because apparently our breaker is the same for my room and his room, which is really weird because in California, each room individually has a breaker. So we need to buy extension cords now in order to evenly distribute the power between both rooms. So I'm trying to do the math to see. We'll try to find out if 50 is enough or 100. And I just measured it and I think 50 is good enough for my room and to his room. So we went for the extension cables. We got them, and then I also came back with a plant.